I'm Christian from Blue Adventures, and in today's workshop I'm gonna show you how I built a tiltable rack for our Starlink dish. We are building this rack because normally we are parking towards south to collect all the sun, and the Starlink dish normally needs positioning towards north, so we do a rack like this one that you see, so we can tilt the Starlink up and so it looks towards north and we have a best possible connection to the internet.
After some brainstorming, it's time to get started. As usual, I'm using parts we already have with us. I show you detailed sketches of the parts so you can easily replicate them.
So the idea of this rack is we have these two vertical parts here, which is screwed down to the roof rack, and then we have these parts here, which I'm gonna cut apart, and then the Starlink is in between of these two parts here, so we can screw it through the shell of the Starlink dish. And we're gonna do a hole here and here, so we can tilt this up to a certain point.
At this point, I want to mention that I take no responsibility if you decide to drill holes in your Starlink. It's crucial to be extremely careful when you drill, as improper placement can damage the internal components. I shaped the two aluminium parts to be slightly rounded on the inside for a better fit against the dish. When drilling, don't go too deep, work slowly and apply gentle pressure to avoid any mishaps. Next, we'll build the mechanism to adjust and secure the angle of the Starlink dish. I've drilled multiple holes spaced 5 cm apart, which provide a wide range of angle options. I use silicone for additional sealing and to glue the parts to the dish. However, silicone alone is not enough to securely bond the parts. It won't stick well on its own. ABS or PE and silicone adhesive are not the best combination. After that, it's time to fit the rack on the roof. I usually just use M8 bolts to secure it, and I take it down wherever we move with the car. Thanks for watching and happy building on your own adventures.